a feeling. I am idealistic in my thoughts. I always maintained a safe distance from my boyfriend. And we didn't even kiss each other for a year since our relationship started. Now, it was his birthday, and he was waiting for his gift in his friend's house, where we planned to meet. I got the best wallet that I could afford, and nicely wrapped it in a gift pack. After giving the gift, we sat talking about our friends, weather, college, and every simple thing that we could recollect. We were shy, or rather scared, to talk out of the box, as we were unaware of how the other would feel. Strange. I knew with his gestures what he was longing for. I knew I had to make the first move, as he was scared that I would slap him, or break the relationship, if he did that first. So, this is the story of our first kiss. I asked him to close his eyes, as I couldn't even think of getting near him when his eyes were open, and kissed him gently on his eyes. Now, my macho man was stunned, excited, rather puzzled with the whole situation. He didn't even know how to react. He went out of the room, telling me that he just forgot something. Now I was in his shoes. Thought, misunderstood him, and he was not ready for it. At that moment, he walked in with a smile and said, "Thank you." I had a sigh of relief. He then asked me to close my eyes. I thought it was my turn. Yes, it was. The guys are smart, they utilize every move that we make. My boyfriend was not an exception. When I had closed my eyes, he softly kissed my lips. Guess what? The reaction was not the same. I had a hearty laugh. When I opened my eyes, I found him standing in attention, looking at me for my next move. Rather, he was standing like a scared bird that would fly the very moment I would cry and say, "How dare you?" We still cherish the first touch, the first kiss, the first candlelight dinner, and every sweet moment that we spent together for 5 long years. This moment will be most treasured till the last breath, as it was the first and unique kiss, with a feeling that will last forever.